Just want to show the 3 variations of bracket that I printed for the Logitech webcam. The first one is for mounting a fish lens. So it goes right on. It's held together by friction, and you just put the lens on. Pretty slick. The second thing here, actually this is just one concept here. This is just the lens cover. First iteration, second iteration. If you look at the first iteration, it's a little loose, right? And then, it's also a little bit too wide. So in the second iteration, I make it a little bit narrower, also a little bit tighter. So you see how this one has quite a big gap at the bottom here, which is just an inefficient use of space. But the second iteration, this is more parallel to the lens surface, and then there's also a little bit of a ridge at the top to protect the lens. So as you're sliding it left and right, it's not going to scratch the lens. So when you're ready to be on a call, you can just move this to the right or left. It's not going to fall off, and then when you want privacy, you can just cover it up.